Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco Mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Poco Mobile guys home screen setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on double tap to lock screen setting. Friends, you want to lock your device screen with double tap without power button use. You want to lock your screen, so how to lock a screen one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Poco mobile. Friends, in your Poco mobile, open your phone home screen setting. After on home screen setting friends, you can use home screen setting from here. And friends, you can lock your home screen layout setting. You want to change icon size, right side you can increase, left side you can decrease your phone icon size. And friends, you want to change your home screen layout setting, you can change home screen layout setting. Double tap to lock screen guys on. So once you can see double tap to blank area, then you can off your screen. So friends, this blank area we will double tap. Without press power button you can turn off your screen with double tap. And friends, you want to on your screen with double tap, so you can on your screen with double tap. But friends, you will have to open your phone lock screen setting. After turn on guys lock screen setting, double tap to wake or double tap to wake and turn off screen setting when device is locked. First of all on, because guys if you off your double tap to wake screen setting, so friends you can off your screen but you cannot on your screen with double tap. You will have to press power button. So friends, we will on double tap to wake screen setting and we will on double tap to lock screen setting in Poco mobile. So after turn on both of setting, you can off your screen with double tap, you can turn on your screen with double tap. So like that friends, you can use double tap to wake and turn off screen setting in your Poco mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in the comment section. I will check out and help you. Bye friends.